Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Scylla Stuff and Things. We are so excited. It's Super Bowl week. I love football. I just do. And I want to thank Lee Kum Kee for sponsoring today's video. And make sure you stick around because I'm going to show you, whether you cook or not, what you can do to help bring the Super Bowl to your home. And your girl is a Jaguars fan, but my Jaguars didn't make it to the Super Bowl, just in case you weren't aware. So I'm going to have to pick another team. But I am all for having a party, which means food, family, drinks, all the things. So let's get cooking. We are going to have pot stickers, which is for those of you who don't know how to cook. We're going to have a couple of different options of chicken wings, and we are going to have beef baby back ribs, all with the Lee Kum Kee sauces. And so I cannot wait to show you because I've tried them and they are good. So we're going to start with our chicken wings. I got 2 pounds of chicken wings in this package and then about 2 pounds in that package. And for this first one, I'm going to use the triple citrus Lee Kum Kee sauce, and I've tried it and it is so good. For the other wings, I'm going to do the lemon pepper Lee Kum Kee. So comment down below, like, what kind of wing sauce do you guys like? If you've never cut wings before, just cut them at the joint and you're going to separate them. If you don't want to deal with that, don't buy these kind. You can get them already done if you don't want to deal with it. But it's not hard. All right, so we cut up our first package of chicken wings and I'm going to throw the sauce on there. I will link the sauces down below so you can check them out, see which ones you like, but you can also find them at your local grocery store. Here in Jacksonville, we have these at the Fresh Market and Publix, which is my go-to place. So they're in the Asian aisle. For my second batch of wings, I'm going to use the triple citrus Lee Kum Kee sauce. And something I really like, guys, is that it's a grilling and dipping sauce. So what I plan to do is just put a little bowl next to the wings. That way if people want more sauce, they can get it. So you don't have to like coat it completely, drown it in the wing sauce, but they can have more if they want. The chicken wings are sitting there, they're getting happy, they're sitting in that marinade. We're going to put them in the oven on 400 for about 40 minutes. And while we have that waiting, I'm gonna go ahead and put this sweet and spicy Lee Kum Kee sauce on these ribs. I love this sauce. It was my favorite out of all of them. And just put it over the top. Typically, I would have a brush, but I don't think it made it in the move. The cameraman won't fess up, but I'm pretty sure it got thrown away. So I'm just gonna take my spatula and rub it around. And these sauces have such great flavors, you don't even have to add seasoning. You can if you want to, but I'm not going to. I don't wanna take anything away from the flavors. And then make sure you flip it over and give the backside some love. I can't wait to hear the recipes you guys share with me about how you use different sauces in your life. Your girl loves, I'm a sauce person. Ace is not really. He likes it on things, but not to like dip things in. And these are ready to go in the oven. So these are super fast. The cooking time is what's gonna take the longest, but you don't have to be a fancy chef to have some good game day food. All right, guys, we are putting these wings in on 400 for 40 minutes. The ribs are gonna go in on 350 for 45 minutes. Then we will take them out, sauce them again, put them back in for 15 minutes, and they should be good to go. This one's gonna be for all my non-chefs, my non-cooks, because I can appreciate you guys. I used to be like you. I have not always enjoyed cooking, and I've always used to really be terrible at it. So this is for you. If you would like to have an appetizer while your ribs and your chicken wings are cooking, you could do that. Or if they're like, hey, you need to bring something to the Super Bowl, and you're like, I'm not really a good cook, pot stickers with this Lee Kum Kee dipping sauce, amazing. It tastes so good and everybody's gonna love it. So it's a win-win. So we're just gonna throw this on the stovetop, and I'm gonna show you, you're just gonna warm it up and everybody's gonna think you're a great chef. All right, once you have all of your pot stickers in your pot or your skillet, you are going to add about 1.5 to 2 cups of water, put a lid on it, bring it to a boil, and then let it go for about 8 minutes. Now we want to take the lid off and put it kind of high because we need the water to evaporate. And then this is where it's going to start getting brown. So you don't want it like burnt, but you know, you just want a little brown. Ooh yeah. These are like one of my favorite things to get in restaurants. So I'm super excited to make them at home, even though they're like the easiest thing I'm making. And again, you can use this as like your actual dish that you take to a party, or you could have this as an appetizer so people aren't bugging you about the other food that you're cooking. Is there any better sound than a skillet frying up stuff? I don't know. I don't think there is. So I keep calling this the easy one because it came out of a frozen bag. But honestly, like, it's the least intimidating. Like, I feel like if you weren't a cook, you would gravitate towards this. But honestly, y'all saw the chicken wings and ribs were not that hard. And I have to babysit this. Like, I don't have time for all this craziness. I got a party to get ready for. All right, guys, our pot stickers are finished. We have some cute little decor items. I always find these on sale like after the football season. And I've had this one for 2 years or something. So you just, I don't know, it makes it fun. You can also get like paper plates and napkins, anything to add to it. So I don't want them stacked up because I want everybody to get some loving with this sauce. And we are going to use this dipping soy sauce. And I'm just going to kind of drizzle it over the top. Like that. I will leave it out, that way if they want more, they can have more. All right, guys, our wings are finished. We're gonna plate those up, and I don't think our ribs are gonna need any more sauce, so I think they're good to go the way they are. Look at those. They look good. I'm excited. I'm glad we get to test out our Super Bowl food before we actually have Super Bowl food. All right, guys, we are gonna go enjoy our game day food. I hope you have fun with your game day rituals and whatever you do. Comment down below, who you going for? I think I'm gonna be a Kansas City Chiefs fan on Sunday, but I did not even use half of the sauces that they offer. So make sure you click on the link down below, check out what they have, or go to your local grocery store and go down the Asian food aisle, and you're gonna love the flavor that these offer. So thank you so much for watching. We will see you next time. Bye, guys.
Priscilla has a stomach the size of a banana, so she filled up on 2 pot stickers. So I'm the official taste tester. I'm gonna do a little dippy dip here. Well, that's a thick one. That's good. I'm doing a taste test right now, since you're not here, so I'm sampling them.
Okay.
Alright, I gotta go. I'm sampling the food.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, there we go. Man, I'm getting full. I don't want a big one. Let's go with this bad boy right here. Oh, they're all big. They're all huge. Okay. This might be better than pot sticker. A little bit of spice. Mainly sweet. Oh, that's good. Can't wait for the Super Bowl. This whole video just turned into a mukbang.
Oh, man down. Or I should say, fumble. You like my jokes?